My name's Simon Hall, I'm the Head of Marketing for Nodor International. We're a darts manufacturer and we export, or have exported for around 60 years. We use two main brands to do this, and that's Winmore and Red Dragon darts. Exporting is something that makes up around about 40% of our company's turnover, and we're learning new things every day. Initiatives that we work on with the Welsh Government through Welsh Trade have undoubtedly helped us to expand in our marketplaces through trade shows, translations, web activity. My top 3 tips for export would be: the first thing, strategically find out what it is you offer to the relevant market. This can be done really cheaply using tools like Google AdWords, Google Sandbox, to find out what people are searching for around your industry. The second tip, that would be to look for competitors doing similar to what you are and the size of their business, so you can get an idea of what potential you might be able to scale to. My third tip would definitely be, when you've done your strategic, you've checked there's a market, go and visit, because without being on the ground you won't really find out what's out there.